The AI conversation is still very focused on speed. More output, faster drafts, cheaper production, more content options, and all of that can be useful. But speed is not the same as judgment. The deeper brand question is this: what carries too much trust, meaning, or consequence to be casually delegated? AI can help reduce the work. It can help organise information, draft options, summarise feedback, scan patterns, and generate routes. But it cannot decide what your organisation should be known for. It cannot decide what customers should be asked to trust. It cannot decide which promise carries commercial or reputational weight. That still belongs to human judgment. So the question is not simply, can AI do this? The better question is, should this be automated, assisted, governed, or kept human-owned? Because when output becomes easier, judgment becomes more important, not less.